Hi guys, Regina here. In today's video, we'll be talking something very simple. Why network marketers fail? Why network marketers fail? Why there are so many? Have you ever wondered why there are so many network marketers who fail to make that much money compared to a handful of networkers who make tons of money? Now, the easiest thing and the most common thing that I've seen is because majority of the network marketing platform, let's put it for example, Internet Lifestyle Network, ILN. Now ILN is a great platform. It has great training, great mentors, even some sponsors who goes out all the way just to help you to make money. But what makes these network marketers not making any money is simply because they are just not following the training that is given. Now training are meant to be a guide, as a pathway for you to get your first sale, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on and so forth. But what happens if you are not following the steps completely? Then the chances of you to make a sale will be much harder. Of course, if you have the experience, then that's fine. Now, if you are fresh, if you are a newbie in this network marketing, it takes some time. It takes some serious training. Now training is given, yes, but it's up to the person themselves, the network marketers themselves, to actually get it done. Now another case is where today I did some Facebook networking as usual. Then I came across a guy who says that he had tried everything that he can think of in network marketing, and he just couldn't get one sale at all. So after talking to him, I realized that he is not following the trainings given. Trainings are meant to be there. Some trainings, especially in ILN, is extremely simple. I tested it myself. It works. It really works. Now the problem, the biggest problem, that it doesn't work for others, is simply because you are just not following the steps. These steps are extremely simple. So now, thinking as in a general, as a whole, why network marketers are not really making money or is not making any sale is simply because the strategy itself. It could be lack of training. It could be simply because you're just not following the training given at all. You want to do it your own method. While that is fine, but the chances of you to be successful in network marketing is easier when you are following guides provided by your mentors, or by those who are experienced in this field. So now I hope you enjoy this video. This simple video is why network marketers fail. So I do not want to see you fail. And most importantly, I do not want to see myself failing. So now guys, if you want to be successful in network marketing, please follow the training. It doesn't matter if you are in Empower Network, if you are in MLSP, in ILN, it doesn't matter. Just make sure that you are following the trainings given. Understand the training inside out. If you need to listen back to the training, do it twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times until you remember it. Guys, because until you understand the whole concept, then you'll be able to make more sales, making more leads. It's until then. So the most important step is get this training up, learn this training. It doesn't matter if you have 10 years experience in marketing, it doesn't matter. Take this training, go through this training, enjoy the whole process, and let's see how it goes from there. Of course, if you have followed through the training, the chances of you to be successful, is very high. Let's say 70%, 80%. It's very high. Guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. A very fast, simple, under 5 minutes video. Tell me what you think. If you like this, please give me a like and share it around. Okay then, take care. Bye.